orchids. So this one it look kind of okay. If you see, there's nothing going on, but here in this part it could grow something. You see, it's perfect. We need this, so let's put it. You can observe here we are holding this, and you need to cut in the middle part. There are some parts that shows like something is growing, like a little bump, and so cut it there with the scissor or knife, whatever you have, and then you will see later. Okay, then we have the candle, and then we put some, we burn a little bit the part on the top, so this candle can get totally blocked and nothing is gonna get inside there, so it's gonna heal it very well, and yeah, that's gonna help. So you can do one part or both parts, depends what you think, and then that's how that look. Okay, then on this we have the garlic with the water, so we remove it, all the rest, and then with this water we can put it on we can leave it there for 30 minutes, just getting ready, and then we prepare the rest. So we have in this cup with water, we put some in these cups we prepare already with musgo in Espanol, and then we put it in there and the other rest, and that's gonna help to get humid, So we open all the boxes and we put the water with the garlic, the juice, and then we roast everywhere in the container and also in the cups. So then we keep it closer everything, and that's how we are gonna live in some places where there's more light. So like you can observe, that's how it should look. Okay guys, thank you for everything. You will see the pictures where I put it, all of them. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.